descent going into the East River tunnels into Penn. And we got a switch ahead of us that's set for us. And we got another LIRR diesel set coming from Long Island City or Hunters Point. Then there's Sunnyside over there, a bunch of New Jersey Transits and Amtraks over there. See some arrows, ALP 46s and A's, P32 AC dual modes, and some ACS 64 City Sprinters. And of course, multi-levels and amp fleets and all that. And I haven't seen any view liners just yet.
Well, the view liners are generally around the back.
Yeah, yes they are.
So probably they were obscured by various.
Yeah, sometimes at times they could be in the front too, but mostly they're in the back. I mean, unfortunately, what do you think of the CEO of Amtrak?
Not pleased.
Me neither.
To go into it would take more time than we have, I think.
I'm so upset. I mean, he's taking away everything.
Yeah.
One by one. I mean, he's doing it in phases.
Right.
We gotta stop him. Like, we have to stop him. Like, we all know he's up to no good.
I've already written my senator's representative.
Same here. I've done the same thing. Nobody's responded to anything. Though one representative did it from Tennessee, blasting him for that. Yeah, I don't blame him.
And he's supposed to be on support. Oh, here comes the tunnel.
This is it. Here we go. Here we go. This is it. Our ears are gonna pop. Yeah! Here we are. These river tunnels. Hey, I don't think the tunnel was really that damaged during Superstorm.
No, from what I've heard, the East River tunnels came through without much harm. It was the Hudson tunnels,
yeah, the Hudson
North River tunnels that had the main problems.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of hard to see when you're traveling in the North River tunnels, but if you're traveling slowly, if you have a really big light, you can see it. I mean, it's so bad that they need to fix it like now, and nobody's doing anything about it.
Yeah, but you know, why should we spend money on one of the busiest transit arteries in the country?
Yeah,
that's not important.
Oh yeah, but they need to fix that tunnel. That's especially important. I mean, they should have done that. I mean, look, they're fixing the L tunnel. Why are they not doing it with the Hudson River tunnels? They could collapse like any day now. That's what I'm worried about.
Yeah. I have heard that at least failure to be operational is more likely than a full collapse, but still, that's less bad. That's still not good. Those tunnels shut down, the entire Northeast Corridor does.
Exactly. I mean, we need to do something. I mean, President Trump, he's being a buffoon himself. Like, he's not even wanting to help Amtrak whatsoever. All he's thinking about is himself and no one else.
The budget he submitted had no money for Amtrak at all.
Not at all. And he acted upon what he said. We've been trying to... I mean, look. Congress is still giving money to Amtrak, but Trump's ignoring it. I mean...
and, you know, Congress is giving money to Amtrak, but Anderson is...
rejecting it.
Yeah, what is Amtrak doing with that money under the current management?
I don't know, but Anderson has to go. That's what I think. He needs to go like now.
Yeah, and you're not just Anderson. I mean, it's a few other people along with him at the top.
And a lot of senators and a lot of senators and representatives are not too happy with him.
Yeah, for good reasons, because Amtrak is supposed to be on support with Congress. It's supposed to serve the American people, and in many cases,
but Anderson's treating it like an airline. I mean, he thinks he can fix it when he's really doing just the opposite.
Well, I mean, this was saying, you know, don't be too hasty to attribute to malice what can be explained by incompetence. And I'm aware I don't have all the facts, but you know, maybe he's just really bad at it. But I can't plausibly actually see him deliberately trying to kill it.
Yeah, he is trying to kill it. He's doing it like, he's doing like one one thing after another.
And, a lot of it, of course, is presented as improvements, to better serve passengers, like, flexible dining. Oh, it's so much better, says Amtrak's marketing, and no one else.
No one else agrees.
Right.
We're all trying to get him, we're all protesting, and guess what? One representative from Tennessee told him, he said, when he was Delta CEO, he said he was going to keep the Memphis hub for Delta. That didn't happen.
So you mean this sort of thing while he was running airlines there?
Yeah, he did the same thing with the airlines. But he's a liar. Anderson is a liar. Oh, here we are. There's Penn Station. This is it. This is our, this is the end of the line. So, okay, so here we are. Alrighty.
Anything out there?
There's the Long Beach train.
Oh, another.
Another M7.
Number 18, Penn Station, let's go.
Yeah, though on this trip into the city, I'm probably going to skip the train watching. I often do here because, Thanksgiving holidays, they have extra security, and I don't want to be mistaken for someone planning something just because I like watching trains.
Oh, yeah. You could say that again.
Yeah.
Here comes there's the Port Washington train over there. And this is the